what is our game for this afternoon, mga kaibigan? So medyo susubukin natin ang chemistry at ang oneness ng mga couples ito through our very special game called the Money Drop. Alright, here's how it goes. Each couple po ay uupo dito sa ating upuan. Tapos, we have here a very special bill na ilalaglag ko po in between the two of you. The goal is, masalo nyo siya gamit ang kiss. Okay? So you will have 2 chances each pair. So pag nalaglag yung cash, kailangan masambot nyo with a kiss. So pa, hindi po ulo, huwag yung sarili nyo, kailangan po labi. Pag nalaglag, okay lang, 2 chances tayo. So pag hindi po nasalo, out na kayo. If we have a pair, then they move on to the next round. Last couple standing wins. Alright, here we go. Ready mo ba? Natatawa na sila. Kaya natin to. Kaya natin to. Kayo best role model para sa dalawang anak nyo. Alright, ready. Tasan ko 3. Tinatay siya. Wag ulo po, kailangan labi. 3, 2, 1, go! Ay! Ba't umatras? Parang sila yung na-conscious sa isa pa. Chance number 1. O, alam nyo na ha. Chance number 1 na to. Chance number 1. Labi dapat ha. Labi. 3, 2, 1, go! Ay! Wala! Alright, sorry. So wait lang, isa pa. Second chance. 3, 2, 1, go! Ay, wala talaga! Alright, thank you very much! Next couple tayo. Alright. Same level lang para fair. Ayan. Why may technique? Nagkaya ka? May technique. Okay, natigil natin ha. Alright. Try number 1. Chance number 1. 3, 2, 1. Ay! Okay. Medyo may tipad eh. Sige. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Ay! Wala talaga! Medyo pumasok. Tumatagilid. Okay, last chance. Special to eh. Special parents to eh. Okay, one more time. Ready na? 3, 2, 1. Ay! Wala talaga! Thank you very much. Thank you. Alright. Next couple, please. Ay, so, kaya makis. Ganun. Medyo aggressive sa daddy. Okay! Game! Ready? 3, 2, 1. Bitin! Okay, one more chance. 3, 2, 1. Pasok! There you go! Dito muna tayo, ma'am. Next round na tayo. Galing! Alright. Dito muna po. Next couple. Flyer tech. Oh! Mas close. Wait lang. Alright. Ready in. 3, 2, 1. Ay, wala. Tumagilid. Okay. One more time. 3. Sobrang lapit naman po. Hindi na magkasya yung barya. Tayo. 3, 2, 1. Ay! Pasok! Okay! There you go! Sa ulo hawak. Yung bato. Okay. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Ay, wala. Okay, one more time. 3. Lapit. 3, 2, 1. Ay, wala. Medyo okay ba? Not valid. Kasi lumipad. Okay, one more time. 3, 2, 1. Ayaw. Nauna kasing no. Isa pa sir, last na talaga to. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Basta wala talaga. Thank you very much for joining. Ay! Sorry, may legs. Nakaganon. O, saan ka? Nakaganon. Wala kayo. Wala kayo sa technique, may legs. Okay. Sana ako na. Baka saan ako tumapunta po, layo kayo konti. 3, 2, 1. Ay, lumusot. Wala, ito lang ha. One more time. 3, 2, 1. Pasok! There you go, congratulations. Please stay here. Natatawa na sila. Okay, kaya natin to. 3, 2, 1. Oh! First try! Let's go! next round tayo. 3, 2, 1. Okay, wala talaga. Ang galing. Okay. Pasok pa din. Next couple po natin. Ano ba? Iba yung linkis eh. Alright. Ready and 3, 2, 1. Okay, ito solid na solid. Okay. Thank you. Pasok pa rin next round. Other couple natin. Sunod. Ako na po. Likto mo nga to ha. Oh, grabe yung linkis. Okay, game. 3, 2. Okay, wait lang. Tatanggalin ito po sa lamin. Okay, sige po ma'am. No problem. 3, 2, 1. Ay, wala na. Thank you very much for joining. And last couple. Okay. In 3, 2, 1. Ay, wala na. Sayang. Thank you very much. We are down to our final two. Panapakan naman natin sila. Alright. Where are they, please? Okay. Asa rin? Oh. Isa lang po talaga ang kailangan manalo eh. Isa lang, isa lang. Hindi. Wala po kaming insurance. Last. Yes po. Special request daw nila, bato-topic na lang. Pwede naman po. Sige. Okay, kota na sila sa halik ngayong araw na to eh. Sige, no problem po. So, representative, ano na lang. Mga misis. Yes, mami.
Mas masarap ang halik.
Yun lang! Yun lang! Oh, paano yan? Paano yan? Bato-topic daw. Okay, let's go. Mamis na lang. Okay. Bato-pick. Isa pa. Bato-pick. Okay, 1-0. Best of 3 tayo. Oo. May chance ka pa, tita. Okay, and bato-pick. Okay, 1-1. Okay, and bato-pick. Bato-pick. Ayun, we have our winner. Congratulations, and give a big round of applause. Thank you very much, ma'am, for joining. Please stay with me here. We're supposed to book. Right, and of course, we're gonna hand over your prize. Congratulations. Here you go po. Ayan. Let's have a photo lang with a couple for your lovely prize. Palapakan naman natin sila, ladies and gentlemen. Ayan.